Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Dbeaver latest version on Windows 11 operating system. But the process is same on all Windows operating systems. Then we will connect both MySQL and PostgreSQL. Okay, first go to Dbeaver official website and download. It is dbeaver.io. See here, Dbeaver community is a free open source database management tool for personal projects. Manage and explore SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. And see here we have the two versions, Community and Pro. Community is the open source version, Pro is the commercial version. In this video we are going to download and install this Community. So click on download. See, the latest release is 25.3, which is the latest version at the time of making this video. Scroll down. For Windows we have to click on this Windows installer. So wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. See here its size is about 112 megabytes. Here CE means Community Edition. See, download is completed. Now click on the setup.exe file. Click on next. See, this is the license agreement. Then click on I agree. Select whether to install Dbeaver community for all users or for current user. It is up to you. I want to install for all, so select first one and click on next. Next. Again, this is license agreement. Click on I agree. Include Java and reset settings. See, these are the components that we have to select. By default it has selected Dbeaver community. Okay, click on next. See, this is the installation location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path. Then click on next. See, this is the name in the start menu folder. Click on install. See, you have successfully installed, and if you want to create desktop shortcut, you have to select the checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on finish. Now open Dbeaver community edition and connect both MySQL and PostgreSQL. If you haven't installed MySQL or PostgreSQL, then search for my YouTube channel how to install both MySQL and PostgreSQL on Windows operating systems. Then go to all applications. See, here we have the Dbeaver community folder. Click on drop down. See, here we have the Dbeaver. Click on that. Cancel this one. Now click on this new database connection or go to database and select the new database connection. Both are same. First we will connect PostgreSQL. Select it. Click on next. Then localhost is fine because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. 543 is the port number. Then select show all databases. This is the username. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. See, successfully connected and PostgreSQL server version is 18.1. Click on OK. Then click on finish. Expand the connection. Expand the databases. See, here we have the different databases. If you want to run queries against this database, right click on it. Then SQL editor. Then open SQL console. Now run the query against the table that is there in this database. I think I have table customer. Then select the query and click on this execute button. So you got the output. Okay. The same if you want to connect MySQL, click on here, then select MySQL, then click on next. Now we have to provide all these details, database name, password, then we have to click on test connection. Okay, this is the way. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Dbeaver latest version, that is 25.3 on Windows 11 operating systems. Then we have connected PostgreSQL and MySQL. Okay, for more database or Windows tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.